Alright guys, as you can see, the leaves are falling. It's autumn, but this morning I'd like to show you a nice breakfast that I'm gonna prepare. Okay, so let's go behind the house. Oh, here we go. And I'm not sure if you can see, but there is something growing in our backyard. Oh yes, very perfect Lactarius deliciosus. This is the first one, another one here. Let's pick it up. And two more here. I'm just gonna use one. Okay, and I have mushrooms for my small breakfast. So no need to go to the forest. It's enough to go into the backyard. And you can see it's quite beautiful now. The autumn has started. The hills are all getting orange, brown. And here I'm gonna show you this nice breakfast that I'm gonna make with these 2 or 3 mushrooms. Let's fry them on butter. It's gonna be a real tasty treat. Kochani, jak widzicie, dzisiaj śniadanko pychotka. Będą rydze smażone. No to co? Czas wracać do domciu i usmażyć. Alright guys, let's prepare the mushrooms. Alright, we need a bit of oil to make the whole thing not burn. And you guys can see here we have almost everything ready. Okay, this is a trick if you don't want your butter to burn. That means use a bit of oil. And now you can place the butter on the frying pan and let's wait for it. There's the mushrooms ready for breakfast. Let me set up some buns and plates. So all natural from the garden. Now, it always needs a bit of salt and pepper if you fry mushrooms. So this is necessary. And this is a perfect aroma dish, guys, for those of you who like mushrooms, you know what I mean. Let's fry them nicely. So lactaris is a very, very tasty mushroom. Rydzyki, słuchajcie, są jednymi z pyszniejszych grzybów, szczególnie po smażeniu na masełku. O. Wyciągnijmy troszkę sałatki ze wczoraj. Let's get some salad out. The salad I made yesterday, so it will fit the breakfast perfectly. Alright, the plates with the salad are ready. And the bun. And I will soon have the mushrooms ready as well. Let them fry gold. Oh, the aroma is amazing. If you've ever tasted lactarius, you know what I mean. If not, you should try. Obviously, you have to know your mushrooms, because if you don't, you can get badly poisoned. Some mushrooms are even deadly, so you have to be real careful. Right, almost ready. And this nice quick breakfast is only a jump away from the house. As you know, the mushrooms were right next to the side under some conifers in our backyard. Nice. Alright, it's gonna be nice and ready. So the sauce is also very tasty with the butter. Gonna put it on a bun here. Tak. Chodź, kotku. Tak, zaraz robię. Chodź. Dobrze, chodź. Cii, chodź. Alright, so guys, bon appetit.